Welcome back, everyone, to our gardening channel here at Gratified Gardening. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video, because we really do have a lot more coming. I wanted to follow up on the first video that I did about pruning and why we do it. Well, as I said, pruning develops secondary growth. And here's a hydrangea that has all sorts of secondary growth because we pruned it. We pruned it right at the top, took the top leader off, as I call it, and it stimulates side growth. So by next year, I'll have a whole lot more branches in order for it to make more flowers. Simple equation. Doesn't take much. In fact, here I'll show you another one. This is a phantom hydrangea, and you can see all the new growth. That's because we pruned it. Yep. And one more. I got more examples. This is a limelight hydrangea, and again, sorry for the focus, but you prune it, you get more growth. So don't be afraid to take your scissors and get into your plants, whether you're in the containers or whether you do them in ground, because as I said, it serves a lot of purposes. Another purpose it serves is you get to know your plants better. You also get to see if anything is eating or has made a home in your plants or on your plants. I've staved off a lot of insects just by looking at the leaves, looking at the plants. Grab yourself your favorite cup of coffee or beverage and take a look. The results will astound you, and most of you know that, but now you see it up close and personal. So again, back to gardening. This is the Gratified Gardening channel signing off. Thank you for watching. More to come. Thank you again. And bye for now.